Ew, that joint got carbon fiber all around the joint, yo. What the fuck? Let me know in the comments, yo. What y'all think how much this Ferrari cost? We looking at like what? 1.2, 1 mil. It's custom too, so y'all already know it might not even, it might be more than that. Cause you know when you got that custom shit on there, you adding your own type of line. You feel me? Or do y'all think, would y'all even, if it was y'all, would y'all buy this car? Or y'all just like, man, fuck it, it's too much money. Y'all gonna invest into something else. Let me know in the comments. You supposed to be doing a reaction video right now, bro. You bullshitting. Oh, you doing some homework? Oh, alright, well, fuck that reaction video then. No, I'm doing my job right now. You ain't hear me talking in the background? Yeah, I was just talking in the background. Yeah, that joint crazy. Damn, look at the wheels. Them joints got the yellow. Damn, that joint got the yellow and black all around it. That joint crazy, yo. I ain't gonna lie, that joint everything. I'ma say like a mil. Maybe. No, matter of fact, it depends how much the car costs. Matter of fact, I forgot. That ain't no mil. That's the top of the line joint. That's the yeah. Look, that's 1 out of 7. There's only 7 of them joints made in the country, yo. In the whole entire world, there's only 7 of them joints made. You probably, and that's the top of the line. You probably looking at like, I'm gonna say like maybe 2.3. It's over a million. Look, he got gloves on. He ain't even touching that shit with his bare hands. Yeah, that's climate control. Look at that shit. That shit look good. You can hear the sound of that joint. You gotta take that joint for a spin. Yeah, you got that joint in sport mode. Yeah, and you can lower the car too. That joint, everything. And the real question is it really worth how much it's supposed to be worth? You gotta look it up. Look at the door handles on that bitch. Look at the door jams. That's how fucking thick the door jam is. That's crazy. Shit, this joint I'm watching, this car joint crazy. This a Ferrari, bro. What movie you watching? Yeah, oh yeah, that's what it's called, Missouri. Yeah. Missouri for Ferrari joint. Send that movie to me so I can catch up on that joint. Me and my wife can watch that joint. Send that movie to me so me and my wife can watch it. What is on? Bet. You said what?